Hello, Arthur. Well, first of all, congrats on your match. Can you please tell me how was the match, how did it go, and are you satisfied with the match?
Yes, it was a very good match for me today. I played pretty good. I was happy about my game today. I was very solid. I was feeling good on court, you know. So no, it was a nice win because Prismic, I saw him before. It's a good player, good young player, and I knew it's gonna be not an easy match. And no, I'm happy about my win, but now I'm focused on my next match tomorrow, and we'll see.
Okay, is this your first time here in Croatia in Zadar?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Okay, can you tell me how do you like Falkensteiner Punta Skala resort and the whole tournament?
It's a wonderful tournament. The place is so nice, you know, with the resort, with the sea, the mountains. It's a wonderful tournament, one of the best, I think. The weather is perfect this week. The courts are pretty good. There is a big fitness, and now they are everything here. And it's a wonderful tournament.
Okay, what are you expecting for tomorrow, and are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, of course I'm ready. I'm ready for every match. And tomorrow I play against Teniski. It's gonna be a tough match because it's a very good clay player, you know. He has a good experience also. So no, it's gonna be a good match. I'm ready. I will play my game, and we'll see at the end.
Okay, good luck for tomorrow. We have here a little gift from our sponsor Brita. So this filtration bottle to keep you hydrated off and on the courts. Here you go, and
you.
good luck for tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you very much.